not talking to me, that's why. And the first order I'm going to be signing here relates to COVID, and it's requiring, as I said all along, where I have authority, mandating masks be worn, social distancing be kept on federal property, on interstate commerce, etc. Good afternoon. Before I begin today's announcement, let me take a few moments to thank all the law enforcement folks for all they did, the military personnel from all across the federal, state, and local agencies that secured yesterday's inaugural activities. And a special thanks to the members of the National Guard from around the country. It was an unprecedented situation, hope will never have to be renewed again, and everyone handled with the most professionalism and duty and honor that you could be expected. The President, as Commander-in-Chief, I always respect and revere their service and that of their families. But now to today's announcement. Vice President Harris and I were joined by members of our COVID-19 team, response team, Dr. Tony Fauci, our Chief COVID Medical Advisor, Javier Becerra, our nominee for Secretary of Health and Human Services,